Hey, how's it guys? Stereo here. I'm at Herald's Bay, Garden Route, South Africa. I'm gonna go inside the water where everybody's swimming. I'm gonna do a bit of metal detecting there and see if I get anything. Don't know what the visibility is gonna be like. Doesn't matter, but I am gonna go on the beach a little later after that, when the people start clearing out. There's quite a bit of people, not too many on the beach right now, but there is quite a bit of people. So yeah, busy day on the beach, which is quite cool for metal detecting. But yeah, we'll see what we find. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the water. Okay, so I'm back at the car. The surf was too hectic. It was tossing me around a lot. I'll have to come when it's quieter or when it's calmer. So I'm just going to try on the beach. Okay, so here's a 86, 87, 90, something like that. Maybe a 1 rand, maybe a 2 rand. Let's have a look. Yep, like I said, 1 rand. First one on the beach. Here I got a solid 1995, very high number. I'll dig it and see what happens. There we go, a 2 rand. There we go. First 5 rand. Yeah. Awesome. Okay, and this is actually an old 5 rand. Still looks good. Very cool. 2001. There's more. There's more coins there. You can hear it. Somebody lost all their money. Share, man. Another 5 rand. Very cool. And it's 2 rand. Cool, shiny 2 rand. Very cool. So that's 12 rand right here. Okay, so like I said, I'll do a demo on the wet sand, show you how it does. At the moment I just need to ground balance it still, so pretty basic. Just go to settings twice and then just pump it. Okay, and then next you'll just have to check your sensitivity, and that's this bar over here, this bar. So if you get a lot of noise like that, you just go down and it does okay, so until you find something cool. So if I get something. The rain is starting to bother me. I might have to get my GoPro casing. Let's have a look. Okay, so I'll go down with the sensitivity one more. I don't know if you guys can hear it. I can faintly hear it. It's not bothering me. If I had to actually find something, it should make a hell of a lot more noise here, like there. So yeah. So yeah, I think it performs pretty well in the wet sand. The question I got. So yeah, definitely. I did try it in the water, like I said earlier, but the water was actually a bit too rough for me. It was getting thrown around every time I got any kind of signal. I got thrown around. So you guys can see that. With all these locusts on the beach between the bluebottles. Very weird. I've never seen that before. And there's lots. I mean, every meter you see at least one or two. There's a couple that's dead. I don't know where they would come from. Okay, so I've got 85. It's quite a steady signal. It's quite deep, but it's steady, and it's 85, 84, 80. So I'm gonna dig this. I've also got my earphones off because there's a bit of rain. The earphones I've got doesn't allow. It's not waterproof, so I don't want to damage them. Okay, so there we go. Another £1. Very cool. This one's been there slightly longer. Okay, so I've got a signal here. It's broken up, but it's almost like there's 3 signals. You guys can't hear it. I put my earphones back up. I think I bet you it's 3 bottle caps or 3 pull tabs. I don't know if you guys can see it, but we should have all known it's the infamous 10 pen. I've got a collection of these. Soon I'm going to open a 10 pen shop. Screw. Yeah, I've got a very strong signal. See what it is. Woohoo! It's a £5. It's a new £5. Well, when I say new, it's new, but it's been in the sand for a while. Very cool. Oh God, guys, I found this. I don't know what it is. Like a token. Very cool. I've actually never seen anything like this before. So, elephant on the front, the elephant's backside on the back. Very funky, awesome find. Okay, I found something we haven't seen before. This is an old 5 cent. Bit crusted and rusted. I think it is. It must be. Cool, you don't get these anymore. They've gone out of circulation. It's still very cool. Awesome. Another number 2 for the day. 10 pen. These guys all got these 10s without pens, man. Sucks. Nice solid 65. That will be a bottle cap, I presume. Let's see. Nice fresh Castle Light. Got dropped earlier today. Bastards. I'm sure this is another 10 pen. I don't know if you can see that, but it's not. It's a Castle Light top. Bastards. How cool is that? It's just lying out a mold for sandcastle. I'm going to leave it there in case come back for it. Very cool. And another one. It's ridiculous. I found a 10 cent. It's a little rusty. Gives us such a tiny. Gets notched out when it's got so much rust on it. So quite hard to find these. Or when they got rust on like that. There we go. I get that real 10p sound. Let's see. Look at that. There it is. Like I said, that 10p sound. Ridiculous. And then another one. Crazy. There we go. It's definitely a coin. Maybe a 1 rand, I think. Let's have a look. £2. Very cool. Okay guys, this is my final dig. It's a funny broken tone. Like one of those 5 cents or 10 cents. There we go. Here's a 10 cent. On the way to the car, just to one big last 10p. See you guys at home. Awesome day at Herald's Bay. A lot of money. It's the most money I've found so far in one go. I found probably my favorite piece that I found entirely is the elephant coin. So I'll show you guys now. A lot of 10p, bottle caps. Actually less junk on that beach than the other beaches I've been to, but definitely more money and more 10p. I'll show you guys in a second. When I got there, really busy. Understanding because it was an extremely hot day. It was 38 degrees Celsius at one stage, and then it started drizzling. People just left, so that was very cool. I did try going into the water when I just got there. I got thrown around a little. It was a bit too rough, so I didn't find anything. I did find a couple of signals under the water, but I couldn't get to them because of the tide being so strong, or not the tide, the currents being so strong. So yeah, I got out and I just did the beach, which worked out quite nice for me. Yeah, so you guys want to see my finds? Alright, so I found quite a bit of money. 3 5 rands. This was the first time I found a 5 rand. So I got 2 of the older ones. This one is, I mean, when I say older, we used to have notes. So this is 2001, and this one would be 1994, and then this is what the newer ones look like, but they've got a buffalo in the middle. This has got Mandela in the middle. It's probably like a special print for him. This one is 2018, and then I found a couple more 2 rands. Very cool. It's only 2 1 rands this time. I found 2 10 cents. This one's got a bit of rust on it, so it was quite a weird signal, but I dug it anyway. It was very jumpy. I actually didn't at one stage thought maybe it wasn't anything at all. And then I found an old 5 cents, and these are out of circulation. You give them in at the bank, they mean nothing now. But it's a bit rusty, but still it was very cool to find one of these. The old 5 cents was silver ones, so that would be very cool to find one of them one day. And then my favorite find, definitely the elephant coin. Yeah, so it's a decision making coin. My wife said that to me, and I looked on the internet, and basically flip it and it's heads and tails. So, which is very, very cool. I found some bottle caps, only 5 this time, which is very cool. The beach is nice and clean, only 2 pull tabs, 2 champagne goodies, a little bit of foil, piece of wire, a nut, and then I found all these damn tent bands. So I've got so many of them in total now. This last one I found on my way back to the car, and it's massive. It's a massive tent band. But yeah, I'll just keep collecting them and see how many I can get. Very cool. It's an awesome beach. I'm really happy I went there. I actually been there before, but I didn't go on the dry sand like I did today. I'll definitely go there again, maybe after a storm or after another weekend or so. Very cool, some cool finds. I started it off in the water. I got thrown around so much that I got out, and then I went onto the dry sand. Very cool. I hope you had an awesome time watching this video. If you enjoyed it, you give me a like and you subscribe to the channel. That really helps me out. Thanks a lot. See you guys soon.